Hey guys, Ford Man here. Today we're going to do a taste test review on birthday cake donuts from Krispy Kreme. And yesterday was the very first time that I'd ever had any. And so, but I thought I'd like to share it with you to see. And I'm also going to have to dunk them in some coffee here. So. Guys. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is definitely a 10.
You can tell them that later on today you'll be doing another blog for the jalapeno salsa and those potato and a bag of those potato chips. The new flavor.
Donuts and coffee is really good, guys. But yeah, it's got sprinkles and lemon glaze frosting on it. It's really good flavor.
It's got a light cream in the middle.
It's got a light cream in the middle.
Let's see, dude.
And they definitely do taste like a birthday cake. So if you have a Krispy Kreme in your area, I highly recommend giving them a try. Also, I'll be doing some more vlogs later on. Probably do another one later on today on some chips and some salsa some homemade salsa that I got from the Gypsy and the Vanilla Gorilla. But anyway, guys, I will. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Smash the red button. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss so you don't miss a video, video every time I upload a video. And also I do not only taste test reviews, I also do trivia every Friday night at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this Friday is going to be movie westerns and TV westerns. And so, please feel free to come by and play. Join in. And then I will do a panel talk afterwards. You're, and then I also do a panel talk every Sunday afternoon at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, anyway, guys, I will see you guys next video. Bye, guys.